In this video, I'll show you just how easy it is to replace both cabin air filters in a 6 Series BMW. In this case, we're working on a 645. You just have to unlock the lid. There's a little hex latch in the corner. A quarter turn counterclockwise unlocks that. And then you got a spring latch on the other side. Same on the driver's side. Just undo the spring latch. The whole thing lifts up. The filter is snapped into the lid, and you can see these things pull air in from underneath. So just clear out what you can and vacuum out the rest. On the passenger side, you have a little wire here for the hood switch. You have to unclip that. Once that's off, same thing. Whole thing lifts up. You got the filter snapped into the lid. We'll go ahead and clean out the box and vacuum it out. And once you got your fresh filter, in this case, someone sprung for Lifetime Canon washables. There's your model number. Kind of unusual, but it's definitely kind of handy to have lifetime filter. It's hard to get it wrong. They're notched, so just go ahead and plug it into the lid. Once it's snapped into place, line up the 5 hinge tabs into the windshield cowl. And once that's down, you can snap your bar latch into place, lock it down quarter turn clockwise. And on the passenger side, same thing. Snap the filter into the lid, match up the 5 hinge tabs into the windshield cowl. Once you've got it down, quarter turn clockwise, lock it into place, snap on the bar latch and reconnect the hood switch. And you're almost done. Just give a thumbs up and subscribe for future videos. And to help out anybody else trying to do this, please do share this video. Thanks for watching.